Hello, today we would like to present you an eCom pandemic impact dashboard developed in SAP Analytics Cloud. The data used in the dashboard is stored in two separate models, one for eCom figures and one for coronavirus statistics. The two models are blended by country and date. The center of the dashboard hosts a Geomap component comprised of two layers. The first layer represents the active cases of COVID-19 and is visualized as the base color of each country's territory. Countries with most cases are shown in red. The second layer hosts business data for a company in form of bubbles. The size of each country's bubble represents the net sales and the color of the bubble represents net quantity. A tooltip is displayed when we hover on a country's territory and the legend is available in the bottom left corner. The map serves also as a controller for the whole dashboard. Once a country or a set of countries is selected, the remaining components will be filtered. For example, we can use the polygon selection tool in order to focus on Europe. Another way to control the dashboard components is the date selector box in the top right corner. It allows us to review the data at the previous point in time. The left-hand side of the screen hosts year-to-date Ecommerce figures, net sales, average transaction value, and units per transaction, as well as the currently confirmed cases of the pandemic. Below the tiles, there is a donut chart showing the country split by confirmed cases. Currently, the chart shows that about a quarter of all European cases are located in Italy. On the right-hand side, we find KPI tiles representing the eCom metrics for the selected date. Two time series graphs for average transaction value and units per transaction are also available. They feature a selection tool that makes it easy to focus on a specific time period. In our case, both the average transaction value and the average units in a transaction experience a general increase towards the end of the quarter. The charts at the bottom of the dashboard provide insights for in-depth analysis of the state of the pandemic and its impact on eCom sales. The first one illustrates the pandemic lifecycle. It features the curve of active COVID-19 cases through time and enables us to identify whether the pandemic is in rising, peak, or receding stages. For example, if we select China as a country, we'll notice that the number of active cases appears to be in decline. In comparison, the numbers for Germany are still rising. The next two charts show us the daily increments in confirmed COVID-19 cases and net sales respectively. Using them, we can analyze the influence of the pandemic on our eCom sales on a daily basis. That was the end of today's presentation. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more applications from DAHLBEER.